Alright guys, today I'm gonna guide you and show you the location about the battery on 2020 Mercedes Benz GLE350. The battery is not inside the engine compartment, it's underneath of the driver's seat. So all you need to do, slide back all the way the seat. So you're gonna use T12 to remove these two bolts. And of course you're gonna have two more on the back, then you have to slide back the seat forward. And as you see this cover, you need to take that cover and remove those connectors for the seat module. So they are easy, just tabs, just push the tab in there and just slide it that way. It's gonna come off. And when you do that, you remove the seat, just set it aside, and the battery is under the carpet for the battery, for the main battery. And that was about the battery location and replacement on 2020 Mercedes Benz GLE350. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.